And I'm getting ready to refinish my chair pads, and I got some of this material here, and I have to nail it on there, and then I'm gonna redo these chair pads. You wouldn't believe how many staples are underneath here. You know what, this wasn't even part of the video, but oh well. Look at this. All these staples all the way around. That's just for this material. Then there's more staples like that for the cloth, and then there's more staples to get this stuff out. These were made in China, and look, they got little pieces of tire on here, and they put a little piece of cardboard in here even. And then the padding is all stapled, boom, 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 all the way around. It takes forever to get these staples out. Now I know why the guy at the store, he didn't want to do it. See, he did these chair pads for me here. This is nice material. He called it Sunbrella material. Isn't that good? He had some remnants, and so he sold those to me for pretty cheap. You can get different colors of that. Those used to be kind of a leather type look, but they got all trashed, so I had to take those down to him. He redid those. Now these, he's going to redo these the same. Okay,